Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your speaker shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, I recommend to check is your phone and have the latest software version. Go to the settings. So if you have iOS, you will see update here, the line, or you can also check it if you go to the general and software update. Right here we can check for updates. And update software version. If you have Android, you need to go to the system, not to the general, and in the system you'll find software update. After you update it, if it didn't help you, we should perform the software reset firstly. To perform the software reset, we need to locate power button because we need to turn off the speaker firstly, and power button located at the top, at the left side. Press and hold this power button. We just turn off the speaker. After that, we need to turn on it. So press and hold at the power button again. Here we go. Now, your speaker should reconnect to your phone automatically, but sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that the device don't want to reconnect automatically. So, go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click at your speaker, and then it should reconnect to your phone. Now, if the software reset didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, we need to also use controls at the top, but this time we'll use play pause button and volume up button. Press and hold them simultaneously for at least 2 seconds. You will hear the prompt, and then you can release your fingers, or you can keep holding it until the LED light turns off. So, here we go. I hear the prompt, so I release my finger. Now the speaker turn off. We have no LED light. And firstly, let's turn on it. So press and hold the power button. Here we go. And this speaker should enter to prank mode automatically, but sometimes it happens that it don't want to enter prank mode automatically, like right now I have it. So at the back side, we have Bluetooth button. Single press at this button. Actually, this time it entered to prank mode. But if it's not entered to prank mode, single press, you will hear the prompt and this LED light start blinking white. Now, let's move to the settings. Then Bluetooth or connected devices. We need to reconnect the speaker with the phone, so firstly we need to remove it. Click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then click Forget this device button. Or you may have Forget button, or Forget device button, or Unpair, or Remove. And then Forget device. You will remove the speaker from your phone, and without it, if you try to reconnect it, by just tap on it, on iOS, it will ask you to remove it. On Android, it will show you connection problem. After you remove your speaker, if you have Android, click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Let's say on Realme, at the device list you have Refresh button. Tap at that button. Or maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. And now we should see the speaker at the device list, tap on it, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!